Sanibonani masatla mahle silana esiteki anangihambi ngedvana ngihamba na
Siphosethu Maziya.
baba Siphosethu Maziya umsebenzi wethu malula namuhla zanga nje nangamacabunga sareta out of 10
Okay.
singakwenda putwami
Ngajabula.
athi ngizame nganang Hawani.
Okay.
This is our meal fragrance Hawani by Kale Satini.
Yo,
Out of 10
say 9 of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
And then nabona ungayithenga ngothetanga malini
250 le.
too crazy
250.
250.
Yeah.
Close.
50. But you say 2 or 3.
2 or 3, no?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hit you with this.
Okay.
Manzini wait fuller. That's your
Hey
card.
papi, say.
That's your card.
Uncle.
Out of 10,
Papi. Anginika lo 10 ke lo.
nigga the 10.
Yes, ukuthi mina ngithanda ithi imvula ngathi iyaphapha yabo ukuthi
Uthanda imvula ethulile, na?
ethulile nje.
Ikhona le ngingathi ayikho la. Ikhona le Big Band by Kale Swati. Yona nje is sweeter. It's sweeter kunaleti. Izenza
Right la.
ila. And then what's the leno ineta ngakhi out of 10?
Ngineta 10.
Nawa ithenga ke ungayithenga ngamalini?
I think leni ngaba ngu 350 noma 4.
350 noma 4.
Yeah.
Sonze. Two and 300.
Okay.
As in they both like this is 300, this is 300.
Okay. Angkali.
Nangabuya ifuna nje ungasitext akhala Eswatini online
Okay.
on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You know, all the social media apps. We do free deliveries around Stegi. We also do free deliveries along the Babani Manzini corridor.
Okay.
And then also, I think we usually do pop-ups around Swaziland. So you might find us Pick and Pays. We have a stall there. So if you want to find us, no, we're trying to be findable. Don't worry. Don't worry. No, thank you, Puti, for your time.
Say.
I will go.